Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and sometimes I get really excited about testing products, and this is one of those times. So Kwumsy reached out to me about testing this super nice portable screen keyboard all in one. It's all in one. It's a touch screen, like a 13 inches touch screen, but also comes with a mechanical keyboard with 82 customizable. You can actually customize the keycaps with 82 keycaps. I think this is fantastic. I'm going to show it to you in a few seconds on how to use it and everything you get out of the package. But I've been testing it out with both my laptop and my desktop, but that's not actually what you can do. You can do many other things. You can actually test it with an iPad. You can extend it with a Chromebook. You can use it with PS4, PS5 as a portable screen. You can actually use it with, those Raspberry Pis with all retro games. You can actually use it with that as well. The bottom line is that I was amazed by the quality of the materials of the product. It's a really good quality product. I was also amazed by the fact that it's extremely easy to use with just one data cable, and also all the features that you have with this really cool gadget. So let's take a closer look now. So out of the package, you're gonna find the quick starter guide, which is super easy to follow, as well as all the ports and configurations and features that comes from the package. You're also gonna find the power outlet right here that goes to the USB cable. You're also gonna find two options here to customize either the keycaps using this tool right here, or you can actually remove the whole thing and take a look at it if you want with that tool from there. It also comes with, of course, the data cable right here, which is USB-C to USB-C. That's what you're gonna use for mostly for laptops. Also with a USB-C to USB regular, and this is the one that you may use the most because this is the HDMI to USB-C or regular USB cables. So that's everything that comes out of the package. And here's the unit. Take a look at this. It also comes with RGB lights. We're gonna take a closer look in a few seconds, but this is amazing. It comes with a really nice built-in quality, as you can see right here, and also this leather cover for the screen. We're gonna turn it on in a few seconds, but take a look at the screen right here. You can see that you can put it almost at 90 degrees, and then to flip it back, you need to press this button over here on the left and just gently push it to go back. You have carbon fiber accents right here, which looks really, really cool. And this is a mechanical keyboard. Let me put my microphone here. As you can see, this thing is super soft to the touch, not clicky at all. And remember, you can customize the keycaps and also comes with RGB lights. Last but not least, here's a breakdown of all the ports you're gonna find in the back. Right here, you're gonna find for micro SD cards or just regular cards, two USB-C ports. One comes with fast charge, and you're also gonna find fast charge right here for the two USB. This is for the speakers right here, and you're gonna find that also has a volume control. And right here, super good to have a slot for an M2 drive that you can actually add here for super fast transfer capabilities. So it is now connected to my desktop computer via the HDMI on the actual desktop computer and the USB-C in the back. But remember that you can actually use the USB-C to USB-C and the USB-C to USB-A as well. And also you can use this with your PlayStation 4, your gaming console, your iPad. You can use it with a laptop. You can use it with many other features, for example, a retro console as well, or a Raspberry Pi and a mini PC. Let me turn off the lights a little bit so you can see the RGB lights in action. So take a look at this. Looks super nice, and it comes with multiple other features on the display of the RGB lights that you can change right here with this keyboard. It also comes with a knob right here, and you can see that it has like a standby mode, so it also saves some power. But as soon as I start typing again, it comes back again with this really nice rainbow effect. So I wanted to show in this big setup that there is no lag, there is no input lag with this display, which now it's my third display, which is below the other two. So I think this is great for many purposes. For example, I think that is great for having a calendar right here while you're actually managing all your other things right there. And remember, this is a touch screen, so you can actually touch and do everything in this panel without the mouse if you want. But I do like to use the mouse as well. But the best thing about this one is I think it's really good for another scenarios. Like for example, editing could be really good to come here with a timeline. So let me actually show you that. So switching from the calendar to actually timeline for editing or something like that, you can see that this is super cool to have right here the chance to actually, I want to say, like use this with the touch capabilities and the touch control right here to move on the timeline, or use your mouse as well. But also super cool, you're gonna see that there is no lag and no input right here. You're gonna see this right now that I'm just typing. Super nice and easy and no issues at all, super responsive as well. So one more time, I'm still amazed about the quality of this product and also how versatile it is for all those scenarios. Like for example, editing could be really good for that. Gaming, you can actually use this as your portable monitor with a keyboard, the RGB lights, the features with the speakers, the touch control, and the 13 inches, really good quality screen right here. I think this could be a must-have gadget for all that tech people and also at home office product as well. I like it. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.